Hi, my name is Jeff Budd. I went to Coral Gables Senior High, and I graduated class of '06, baby. Perfect. And so here we have some of the meats we're cooking. I started off in Miami-Dade County Public Schools at a very young age. I went to KVCS. And when I graduated in 8th grade, I got to go over to Coral Gables Senior High, where I rocked out until 2006 when I graduated.
Jeff was always a character. Very colorful, very innovative, funny guy.
That's gonna be delicious and you're gonna have a good time. Enjoy it. I had a lot of connections with all these different social groups, and that really helped prepare me for today because I interact with so many different people, so many people that come into this restaurant and sit down, and they're from all walks of life. And Gables also gave me that initial spark of like coming into a room and helping light it up.
Jeff Budd was a gentleman which I had frequented the establishment before many times. So as soon as I found out that he was a graduate of Coral Gables Senior High School, and we made the connection, bringing him back to the home of the Cavaliers.
And it spends all night kind of chilling out. And I'll show you where we smoke the meats next. We are currently sitting inside of Apocalypse BBQ. This is my restaurant, my pride and joy. I opened this kind of during the pandemic in 2020. It was a little pop-up project. I was selling barbecue out of my house, and thankfully things worked out in an incredible way. And 5 years later, this is my restaurant.
And he's now created this amazing thing. You don't know where life is going to lead you to.
I didn't know who he was at first, and then they kind of told us that, you know, he graduated from here. And, you know, that also kind of like, I guess, inspired me in a way, because somebody who graduated from here, who was doing the cooking program, and they now own one of the best barbecue spots in Miami.
Anything in the world is possible. It doesn't matter how big your dream is. It doesn't matter how crazy your dream is. If you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to commit and you're willing to push through the obstacles, you can make anything happen.
Order up!